Trees by Forest Department for Section 2 National Highway Road underway in Parokwa area. Good morning, you're watching Karbi Anglong Live Morning News with your host Bon Kilingpi. And now the news in detail. The Forest Department personnel and officials have started felling of trees along the road under the Tokmuka Forest Range to make way for construction of National Highway Section 2. The clearing of trees got underway after obtaining order from National Highways Authority of India.
The clearing of trees along the existing road falling under the Tokmuka Forest Range was carried out by the Forest Department personnel under Section 2, 3 and 5 of the National Highways Act 1988. The felling of trees was started in front of PWD Tokmuka office and was carried out in Parokwa area for the day on Tuesday.
National Highway labangso akrong NS36 PWD asai hematheng musidulo laga pini section 2 abangke pini dongmuka ingna raikom saki hin pen pini labangso 250 meter labangso akrong adak alang litum towarari karja prong atheng pia rong doan alang litum pini kipipon pancheng ponlo section 2 abang section 3 lapen section 4 lapen section 5 bangke tak elo lapen non bangke section 2 lo lasi labangso section 2 non cheng pon bom lo non Parokwa pen labangso dongmuka mate PWD labangso sai hema along ansi kadu we pen 15 km doji labangso 15 km adak thengpi arong doan jasmen 50 meter pu 50 meter labangso thengpi karjap soi arong doan non kewang ji labangso 4 lane labangso National Authority of India labangso Highway Authority of India consultancy tumpen labangso kapin khapon tengsi labangso order alu tengsi alang itum dongmuka ingnam raikom saki tumpen labangso thengpi kipon mate tower clearance labangso aja make non deng pon bomlo lasi forest so tum do alang itum benda ete dini alam atu ponana la nili phi thelo alang itum JCB pesame tractor pesame alang itum thengpi kiro asai la tum deng pon bomlo.
According to officials, there are more than 1,000 trees along the 15-kilometer stretch route commencing from PWD Tokmuka office, where Section 2 of the National Highway Road would be constructed. Trees standing on both sides falling within 50 feet width of the road would be clear for the road.
Labangso 15 km ada rongko an lo atau we can total nang tu ponji ajar apa tu jadi ande ini bangga section 2 section mereka mungkin section malu non ketangkan ke non ketangkan ke section 3 section 4 dak men kecing ke section 2 lagi
Bikram Teran's report from Danarong for Karbi Anglong Live. Dikrut sarpo aboha Nanglitum anam jum hekpen chome sen akhanaan long iji. Ladak nanglitum Karbi kitun kedang ateng pensi long poniji. Kelong jia sona mong laki hantu mehek kangmoy kalangdang hanserang han hipi ki phi chatni dumke karlu phak ok ki up phak ok slice fry phak ok ki phi phak ok ki mung lang ok ki up lang ok fry vo ok ki mung vo ok han la penan parta VIP AC room long poniji. Komania hemjongsi birthday party pangri pangdona mai la pen kaprek ga chai megalongta nangji pulote long iji. Aprang pen kepathi ke jiaphan 8761-940-579 lapen 9365-239-862 along humri lote long ponichi. Lapen mingchibi ikha ajo ke sangjia par saisetami ingdeng hini asiang deng ingpu poniglo. Dikrut sarpo aboha adim lake dongmuka Karbi Anglong.
In tragic incident which took place on Tuesday, one hotel was completely destroyed by fire in Manja, causing loss of cash and property worth more than 1 lakh. More from our correspondent's report.
The incident occurred in early morning of Tuesday at around 4:30 a.m. The owner of the hotel was identified as Robin Tiso. On seeing the hotel in fire, the onlookers contacted the fire brigade office in Dipu. However, by the time 2 trucks of the firefighting team arrived, the hotel was already turned to ashes. When the hotel caught fire due to unknown reason, 2 cylinders of cooking gas also exploded, which added to the intensity of destruction. Police and locals came into action and were able to prevent the nearby shops from being caught by the spreading fire. Meanwhile, locals believe that electric short circuit may have resulted in the fire accident. News report Rasanan Say, Karbi Anglong Live.
That is all we have for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and have a great day.